Hytera two-way radios are packed with advanced functions which make them ideal to work in the toughest environments, including both active and noisy locations. Hytera's emergency mode provides additional safety, which is important as an enhanced security measure. With a touch of the orange button, the emergency alarm will trigger. The pre-programmed emergency mode will send an alert to the base station and other radios, automatically identifying the identification of the person who issued the alarm, typically via an alpha-numeric code. Emergency alarm and GPS positioning are the top features of Hytera digital radios that keep the safety of the team a top priority. To disable the alarm, simply depress the button for a few seconds or power the radio on and off. Note, do not switch channels as this will cause the alarm to repeat. If you need a communication device that can work fluently in rough and tough environments, then go with the Hytera PD782i radio. Hytera radios are recognized for reliability, durability, and safety. When you purchase Hytera radios from EdgeTech Incorporated, you can be confident that you will receive full service support and warranty coverage. For questions about security communications equipment, installation services, or to purchase high-quality Hytera two-way radios or accessories, please visit EdgeTechinc.com.